Yo, what's good, everybody? Vlogmas, day 7. So today I have a special, different type of kind of video. I drove like 20 minutes to go get this package. I think it's some shoes. I forgot which ones they are because I forgot when I got them, or I don't even know what they are. But we about to dive in and see. So our first look, I open the box. You know what that is? The Kobe symbol right there. That's the Kobe's logo. RIP Mamba. RIP the daughter. All that. Let's put this off too. So I kind of have a feeling on what these are. I want y'all to guess in the comments what these are. If y'all know, put them in the comments right now. Drop your comments below. As you see, Mamba logo through the box. See the size. Size 13. Let's open these up. Let's get into it. Okay. They got the white plastic wrap around them. Wait. Woo! Wait, y'all see that? No, I gotta take this out the box. Do y'all see that? Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Nah. I think I'll tweak with this one. So as you can see, I got the red Kobe 6s, the Protos, the reverse Grinch. Y'all know the green Grinch dropped back in 2020. I was unfortunately I cannot get those, but I got this pair. Let's go through the shoe. Let's detail the shoe. So as you see, I got the green laces. You know, the green laces, red eyelets through the whole shoe. Kobe logo on the tongue, green. I like the contrast coloring with the green and then the red. And as you see, Nike logo on the outside. But the thing is like scaly, like the first pair is scaly, so it has character to it. Kind of like that. And it's another Nike logo on the inside. Woo, there's details throughout this too. And you see, it's the bottoms. It's my first sneaker review. I'm gonna do more of these. Nike Zoom, Nike Air Zoom technology. Let's take these out. Woo. So on the inside it says, I want a shoe that maybe is finished on the other side, but I don't see if I can see that. See the words on the inside? Because I want a shoe that, and then it continues. Let's bring out the other pair. Oh, now these look good. These look good. Compared to all my other basketball shoes, these are the best. I want a shoe that, I'm gonna figure out what this says. See the inside of this one. I want a shoe that molds to my foot. Ooh, so they saying if you put these on, they mold to your foot, like they fit good. Let's put them both up. Smell good, all that. Ooh, I didn't even peep that. Nah, these shoes are crazy. I'm not gonna lie. I got 2 pairs of these coming in too, so I don't know how I pulled it off, but I pulled it off. Got these earlier. They're not out yet. I know. I just do what I do. Got these way early. Not even out yet. These like just red brick. Like you wear these on the court, you getting all the attention. Like when you wear these, you gotta be nice. So I could wear these because I'm nice. Y'all see me on the court. I might even throw a clip in. Next video I gotta do basketball. I gotta show y'all. But like this is crazy. Vlogmas day 7. I'm bringing y'all this nice sneaker review. But what are y'all opinions when it comes to like basketball and basketball shoes and just things like that? Like me personally, like I feel like basketball shoes make basketball in a way. Like if people play basketball, everybody wore the same shoe, or like shoes weren't a big part of it, I wouldn't really be that much of a fan of it. Like when I watch the games, NBA, college, I look forward to see what players put on their feet. Like yesterday I seen players on the Lakers, some players was wearing this. AD wore this years ago before it was even out. Like we knew it was gonna come out. We just ain't know when. I feel like it builds hype and it builds character and it builds like small things like that. But it's like to me, basketball is just one of those things like everybody can get around, get together, and just, you know, have fun with it. Collect it. Like it's a collective group thing. Your friends, your homies, your team, whatever you do, basketball is one of those things that like it'll never go anywhere. The ball in the hoop, even without the hoop, it's days we just go outside, we just dribble, we just pass. It's just little things like that. But moving on, how would y'all rate these? I don't really give things a high rating when it comes to shoes unless I really like them. But I'm giving these a 10. These are ridiculous. It's funny because The other pair, the Mambasita pair, the black and white pair, let me tell y'all a story. I was supposed to get those. I'm trying to get them. I fell asleep. I missed out my chance to get them. I woke up. It's like I could have got them. I didn't get them. I'm like, wow. And I was planning on staying up to get them. I was up, and then as soon as it happened, I fell asleep, and then I woke up. It was over. Then the Grinch pair, I just had no luck. But these, I was able to score. I just can't stop looking at them. Obviously, I'm going to do an on-the-court sneaker performance, all that. Give y'all that. And then, you never know. I might raffle these off since I'm getting 2 pairs. If y'all rock with me, one of y'all might get a pair of these. One of y'all might be lucky enough, especially if you watch this one on the video. I'm really rocking with you. You subscribe, all that, like, comment. Really might get a pair of these. But it's just unfortunate Kobe passed. That's another thing. So it's like, it's good that we're able to, like, at least live through his sneakers. Like, I always was a fan of Nike shoes, especially growing up. Like, you know, the 2010 run he had, the 2011 run with the shoes, LeBron, all of them. Just like Nike shoes always have a special place in my heart, especially Kobe's. I say back then I couldn't really afford them. I really couldn't get them. So it was kind of like growing up, I always had to get a pair. Then when I could really get a pair, Kobe died. So the prices went high. I was kind of really upset about that. But as you can see now, I can kind of do that. Thanks to y'all. Thanks to God. But I just keep looking at this like, these are not regular. These are crazy. This is a one-on-one basketball shoe. I'm not even going to lie to you. Like, you just put these up to your ear and you just talk money. But I feel like if y'all can get a pair, please get a pair. Please get a pair. Don't be trying to resell them high. Personally, I'm going to keep these, or I'm going to raffle them away. Somebody else who wants hoops, y'all can have these since I'm getting 2 pairs. Different, the other pair like a size 8. One of y'all can get those. It doesn't matter. Just rock with me. I'm going to rock with y'all. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, all that. I'm going to bring y'all with a full sneaker collection on a different day for Vlogmas. But Vlogmas, the next coming days of Vlogmas is going to be crazy. Vlogmas day 8, 9, 10 are all going to be ridiculous. Make sure y'all stay tuned for that. And like, comment, subscribe, and we out.